This is the big dragon look. I just got caught in a shower, obviously, and my blazer is soaking wet. But it was raining, but I was saying thank you for the rain because it's keeping us alive, isn't it? It's like helping the crops grow and all that jazz. Have you ever been happy in the rain? God. Anyway, the magic, where it was flying by. Oh God, I'm really wet. Day 24, the magic wand. Now, you will feel already that when you go on a rampage of gratitude, don't you just feel, okay, you just feel calm. So whatever you're grateful for comes back to you in abundance. Now, we've done health for ourselves. What about health for other people? Today is called the magic wand. It's similar to the magic dust. I love doing that. It's great fun. I've just sprinkled the cars actually when I was outside. Saying happy day, guys. So you've got to help others. It could be health, wealth, or happiness. So if you've got a friend who's ill, you just wave them, get a photo if you can, wave your magic wand over them and say thank you for their help. And imagine them ringing up and saying, oh my God, I'm cured. I've got a friend Annie who's got a heart condition. I'm going to do her later. So you have to hold the photo in your hand and visualize yourself receiving the news that they're perfectly okay. So you can't really imagine them healthy, but if you can imagine yourself receiving the news that they've got the all clear from the doctors, for example, or it could be wealth. If somebody's financially stressed, you could do it for them. Or if somebody's unhappy about something, you get the drift, don't you, guys? So thank you, thank you, thank you for blanks, health, wealth, and happiness. And guess what? What you wish for others, you bring to you in abundance. Who are you gonna bless with the magic wand? If you prefer, you can use your magic dust. It's the same thing, really. And have a great day. Just in the comments below, just tell me what's working for you because we've nearly finished. It's day 24. We've only got 6 more days left. I'm going to carry on. I don't know about you. See you later, guys.